Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and I am looking forward to another semester here in UMUC. I am a special education teacher in Maryland and I work with students with autism in the autism program. I'm at a middle school this year and I have 6 students in my classroom. We try really hard to incorporate technology the best we can throughout our lessons. One thing that I have seen make a huge difference for my students is the progression of AAC devices over the years. I have seen, just observing my mom back in the day, have students who used to work off a Dynavox to GoTalks, and now they are using iPads with communication systems on them, allowing them to communicate in a way that they never have been able to before. And it's really neat to see how technology is constantly changing and allowing students with disabilities to really access the curriculum and be able to communicate with their peers. I am a mother and I have 2 beautiful children. My husband and I just welcomed our baby girl into the world in January, and she's 4 months old now. Let's see, there's another picture of her. She's really cute and I like taking pictures of her. Then I have a 3-year-old as well. This was taken on Mother's Day, and I really enjoy being a mom as well as a teacher. I think teachers never really stop teaching even when they come home. My son is really absorbing everything that I'm teaching him right now, and he loves to learn. So I try to bring home different things that I'm working on with my kids at home or at school, and I bring it home for him, and he's having a lot of fun with that. Speaking of family, my husband is one of 9, therefore we have a lot of nephews, and this is actually the first niece out of 7 nephews in my husband's side of the family. And so on my bucket list, one thing that I would really like to do is bring all of us together to go on a missions trip, overseas or in country. I don't care. I just think it would be a lot of fun for all of us to go on a missions trip together. I think that was all the questions. So I'm looking forward to this semester, and hopefully we will have some great discussions. All right.